thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell once you subscribe. If you like this video, once you finish watching it, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, hit the share button, and share it with your friends and family on your social networks. Anyways, let's get started. This is going to be an update to a few projects that I've done within like the last month or so. One of them is a metal butterfly that I bought because I'm redecorating my front porch. Maybe a little hard to see, but the butterfly actually came with kind of like a rusted edges, and I went through and just added some black, and I will post the videos that I did on this. Just added some black into the edges, not so that it's real distinct, but just so that it would match. Really not realizing though that when I ordered furniture for out here, that it actually wasn't a solid black. It was going to have some gold undertones to it. This is my butterfly chair, which I absolutely love. Got the furniture from Kirkland's. Not sure if you've ever heard of them, but they have some really good sales at times, and just loved the discount I got on this furniture. Here's my bench over here, which is a butterfly bench. If you can get the gist of the theme, it's butterflies. Don't really have much hummingbird in here, but that's supposed to be a butterfly hummingbird. And this is my garden that I put in. Added all kinds of perennials that are supposed to be good for butterflies and hummingbirds. Have a little hummingbird feeder here, which I need to update and put some more sugar water in, but I will be getting to that probably later on today. But anyways, we're raising bees and wanted to do something else that more of my grandkids could participate in, and so I thought, why not a butterfly garden? And then another video that I did was showing you how I did this coir mat, and I painted the hello and the butterfly and hummingbirds on it. Now, the rug does shed, which is clearly something I'm well aware of, but I just pick it up and I shake it out, and it seems like it's really, for the traffic that we get here on our front porch, it's holding up pretty well. As long as you realize that it is going to shed, and that's not disappointing, I would highly recommend it. Anyway, so just to give you a quick view, I used to have a couple old rocking chairs on the porch that I thought I would do something neat with, but honestly never found the time. So now we have this going on for us, and I really like it. We're going to be getting a new front door at some point here soon. Really need it. But I think it's very comforting, and I'm going to continue to add things to it. I created a video today which will show you a bird feeder that I'm in the process of creating to put out here. I do actually have a little bird feeder underneath this tree, if you can see it. Bought some new seed today. There it is. Bought some new seed today, and I'll be filling that up here later on. Felt like I just saw a butterfly go by. Not sure. But anyways, I'll be adding more, and I didn't want to encourage birds and butterflies and such out in my backyard because I was afraid my dog would eat them. So I thought I can enjoy them out front instead. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with how it's turning out as we continue to work on it. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever thought about, redoing your porch or a special part of your yard in a theme, something that you love? Alright, until the next video, if you haven't already done it, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, hit the share button underneath the video, and share it with your friends and family. Alright, I appreciate you. Have a good day.